all is set for tomorrow's annual observance of the Feast of the Black Nazarene. As in past years, millions of devotees are again expected to join the observance, which will be highlighted by the procession of the miraculous image. On the eve of the events, thousands have started to flock to Quiapo Church. Haji Camino followed this report.
A day before the Feast of the Black Nazarene, Quiapo Church and authorities are already prepared for millions of devotees who will join the Traslacion 2015. Manila Police District Station 3 and Police Community Precinct are standing by around Plaza Miranda. Many devotees have decided to come today instead of joining millions during the feast. As part of preparations, street sweepers have already cleaned Plaza Miranda. Barbecue stalls and other food carts using sticks are now prohibited around the area, as well as sharp objects that may hurt devotees who will walk without slippers or shoes. Authorities ensured that manholes were tightly closed to prevent accident during the procession. Instead of passing through Escolta, the Traslacion will be using Dasmariñas Street due to a fire incident that burned one of City College of Manila's buildings. He went back from abroad just to witness the Feast of the Black Nazarene. His family came all the way from Cavite. Together, they thanked the Lord for their good health.
Sabing kalusugan at kaligtasan ng mga pamilya habang nasa abroad ako.
So bukas no, balak nyo na pumunta?
Ay, hopefully makapunta kami bukas.
Kahit na marami pong tao?
Oo naman. Kung may time kami, makapunta kami maaga. Pupunta kami.
Kasama ko din yung mga anak ko nun?
Hindi, baka kami lang mag-asawa. Mahirap pag may kasama mga bata eh.
May Caparas family also came from Cavite. This is her first time to go to Quiapo Church. As a matter of fact, she also bought a replica of the Black Nazarene.
Ngayon lang po nakapunta. First time po. Dinayo po namin galing kaming Cavite.
Galing pa kayo na Cavite?
Apo.
Nakita ko natin, may binili mo tayo na replica.
Opo, souvenir po. Gusto po sana namin makita yung Nazareno, kaya lang nasa Luneta raw.
So hindi mo kayo pupunta bukas?
Hindi po kasi ang daming tao, kaya ngayon po kami pumunta.
Devotees are expected to flock at the church until dawn tomorrow. It is believed that the Black Nazarene is miraculous and millions of Filipinos join the procession every year. For the People's Television Network, this is Haji Camino.